All right, so Avinash, Anil, and Anjali, welcome this afternoon. It's afternoon for you guys. I'm in Cairo right now. It's the morning out here. All right,
Okay.
so tell us how has been the response for Suraj or Sanj so far?
It's been good. Everybody who's been watching it, it's been very positive. They're having fun watching it. So I'm very happy about the fact that they're having fun because we had a lot of fun making it.
Yes.
Yeah.
What about you, Anil?
मतलब मजा तो आया, डेफिनेटली शूट करने में ही मजा आना शुरू हो चुका था एंड ऑडियंस का रिस्पांस बहुत अच्छा है. वी आर गेटिंग द रिस्पांस ऑन आवर सोशल मीडिया हैंडल, सबका पर्सनल लेवल पे भी रिस्पांस आ रहा है, कलेक्टिव भी आ रहा है एंड वी आर कीपिंग अ वॉच ऑन यूट्यूब कमेंट्स. सो पीपल आर लाइकिंग इट एंड ग्रेजुअली होपफुली और ग्रो होगा जैसे जैसे लोगों को पता चलेगा. सो माउथ टू माउथ पब्लिसिटी विल वर्क डेफिनेटली, आई थिंक.
Avinash, tell us how was your experience of being a part of
Yeah, I
Suraj or
feel
Sanj?
a little jealous of these two guys because they had a lot of fun shooting and I just shot for a day with them. That one day was amazing. So I can imagine how much the kind of fun they must have had on the set. Not the set, Wade's house.
It was set. Trust me.
अविनाश के फैंस, लेट मी टेल यू, अविनाश के फैंस थोड़ा सा नाराज हैं कि अविनाश इतने कम समय के लिए क्यों आया. They want to see Avinash more, you know.
I keep getting messages, sir kahan hai, sir kahan hai. I'm like, I don't know. मैंने नहीं बनाया.
All right, and Garima, tell us, so you in a way are instrumental in bringing Suraj or Sanj together. It's like
God,
impossible.
that's a pretty big compliment. I don't know if I should take it, but yeah, in a way, I've been connected to. So the producer, one of the producers, Sanjana Parmar, and I have been best friends since like childhood. And actually, this is her first production venture, House of Joy Productions. And मुझे पता भी नहीं था that she was looking to produce because I've been acting and singing for a while. And you know, she was saying for the last year or whatever, "Ha, we'll make a series," and I'm like, "Ha, okay, chal," because you know I didn't know how serious she was about it. And then she calls me one day, lockdown, first lockdown chal raha tha, and we were all pretty down and. Generally, the mood was a little negative and down. And she said, "I'm making the series. You send your 2 videos now. It's a very nice role." I was like, "Acha, okay, cool." So it was really nice because it was a very homey family atmosphere. So my role is of Meenal, and it's a cute, short and sweet, like almost like a guest appearance. But it was a lot of fun. And बहुत वो home family type of atmosphere था because you know she's been my friend for 10 years now.
All right, and so Anil, I think you've been having a fantastic journey. I think you've been part of some really big films, and each time you stand out. And I think that's a very difficult thing to achieve. बहुत बड़े बड़े सितारों के साथ में आपने अपनी जगह आपने बनाई है, and people have noticed you and people have liked your work. कैसे आप देखते हैं इस अपनी जर्नी को, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, बहुत बहुत कमाल के आपके परफॉर्मेंसेस है, people remember that, people talk about that.
अभी भी ऐसा लगता है कि I mean just अभी शुरू हुई है, I mean जर्नी अभी जस्ट शुरू हुई है and I never take all those roles. मतलब कई बार लोग बोलते हैं कि आपका इसमें 2 सीन थे, 3 सीन थे. I really feel humbled and grateful that people like all those 1 scene, 2 scene वाले roles भी, but I never take small roles as small roles. As I've said it earlier also that मेरे दिमाग में वो किरदार संपूर्ण है और पूरी तरह से कंप्लीट है. भले वो 2 सीन के लिए आ रहा है, ऑलवेज सी कि वो कैरेक्टर कहाँ से आ रहा है, क्या कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है स्टोरी को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए. भले वो 2 सीन हो, 3 सीन हो. एंड आई ट्राई टू फाइंड कैरेक्टर्स व्हिच आर मोर चैलेंजिंग एंड डिफरेंट देन बिफोर. तो कोशिश करता हूँ कि जो सामने से कैरेक्टर्स आ रहे हैं वो कितने डिफरेंट है प्रीवियस कैरेक्टर से और कितना चैलेंज लेके आते हैं. So I'm taking one day at a time and let's see where things goes. And we all have big dreams. So I'm also the one. So I'm just going one day at a time. But
All right, so
full for the entire journey till now.
Right, and so Anjali, you are pitted against someone who has a very very fine comic timing. Was it intimidating at any point of time?
Actually, if you go to see comic timing, yes, But if you go to see, the character of Suraj is actually me in real life.
Yeah, she is the
So
Suraj.
I was just too jealous that he was getting to do everything that I always wanted to do. So like the biggest Bollywood buff and being the like knowing all of the dialogues and just suddenly breaking out into a dialogue or a song is something that I do on a regular basis, if you know me personally. So I was just having so much fun, and he's so good that if I gave like an instance ki, "Arey, ye to iska hai," and he knows it and he goes for it. And I think the energy matched so well. And Sanj is just this depressed chick who nobody wants to be around, but Suraj kind of kind of like, you know, adjusts with her somehow, and you know what energy he brings into the house, I think that makes Sanj feel much better in the end, that you'll see.
And अंजलि ने बहुत कुछ सीन्स जो है वो कंट्रीब्यूट किए हैं कि अनिल यू कैन ट्राई दिस ट्राई दैट. मैंने बहुत कम ऐसे एक्टर देखे हैं, फीमेल एक्टर जो जिनकी कॉमेडी इतनी कमाल है, एंड शी इज लाइक कि ये भी ट्राई कर सकते हो, इसमें ऐसा कर सकते हो, एंड आई इनकॉर्पोरेटेड दैट, और उसका लोगों का अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला. सो इट वाज एनर्जी, जैसे अंजलि ने बोला कि बिल्कुल परफेक्ट फिट थे एक दूसरे के.
Because usually मैं inputs देती हूँ तो nobody cares, but this time the inputs I was giving was something that, you know, I'm an expert at, Bollywood dialogue.
This thing I learned from Aamir Khan. We were shooting for PK at that time. I saw that how he is as an actor. He's very evolved. He wants everyone to perform good. He makes sure कि अगला एक्टर भी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है. वो इनपुट्स लेते हैं, इनपुट्स देते हैं, तो बहुत मजा आता है. सो आई थॉट कि वो मैंने कैरी किया उसके बाद कि जिसके साथ भी आप काम करो, ऑल्सो सी कि अगले एक्टर की क्या एनर्जी है, वो क्या सोचता है, वो क्या इनपुट दे रहा है. तो मिक्स एंड मैच. नोबडी केयर्स जब प्रोडक्ट बाहर निकल के आता है तो किसने क्या सजेस्ट किया, किसका क्या इनपुट था. लोग देखते हैं कि प्रोडक्ट एज ए होल, फिल्म एज ए होल और कैरेक्टर्स के साथ मजा आया कि नहीं आया. एंड ऑफ द डे बहुत कोलैबोरेट करके फिल्में बनती है. एंड आई थिंक ऐसे एक्टर्स मिल जाएं जो अपना इनपुट डालें और एनर्जी के साथ एक आए, तो उनके साथ मजा आता है बहुत काम करके.
Of course. So गरिमा, आप जैसे आपने मेंशन किया कि that the producer is your friend. So आपने कुछ उनसे बाद में आपने कुछ उनसे डिस्कस किया, कम से कम प्रोमो में मुझको डाल तो दिया होता?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. You know,
सीरीज में आपका काम पसंद किया जा रहा है.
अच्छा, thank you so much.
But promo is something that I thought that ये गरिमा कहाँ पर है, प्रोमो में क्यों नहीं?
Actually थोड़े प्रमोशन में मैंने थोड़ा सा पार्टिसिपेट तो किया था एक दो इंटरव्यूज में, and she was saying actually because it's somewhat of a guest appearance, she's saying the opposite कि यहाँ पे ज्यादा screen time मिल रहा है. so hopefully in season 2 there'll be more, because you know we especially Anil and I, we really want to do a song now, so we're just hoping that people like the character कि हम promotions तो सही है लेकिन actually काम करने में सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता है. So we're hoping कि एक गाना मिल जाए next season. So just a little hint. Sub please comment karo. But हाँ, नहीं, I didn't ask her for promotions. I'm very happy.
All right, so Avinash, so the way things happen in the series, and I think a lot of people, they've experienced similar sort of experiences during the lockdown. A lot of relationships, they came apart because जैसे कहते हैं कि too much of proximity is maybe not good, and a lot of couples, they faced a lot of issues because उनको आदत नहीं थी कि वो हर वक्त के हिसाब से सुबह दोपहर शाम एक दूसरे को देखेंगे. So how much of a side effect was this aspect during the lockdown?
सर मैं तो अकेला था. मैं तो क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक किसी कपल के साथ था ही नहीं. उसके बाद मेरे पेरेंट्स आ गए. So I lived the whole lockdown with my parents. That was a different challenge because I've been living alone since last 16 years.
Right, but if you're taking the series into account.
Series, yes, definitely. I think what emotions Anjali has portrayed in the show, that completely describes the kind of frustration people might have gone through. And I think that's incredible the way she has done that.
Thank you.
I think, sorry if I may also say, thoda make or break situation bhi tha. So where I think couples were either सीधा getting married or getting broken up. So I think इस situation में क्या हो रहा है कि ये couple साथ में, I mean they're meeting in this situation, which is so weird. ये कभी होता नहीं है. So I think that's very interesting to see कि you know, trying to figure it out and are they going to make it or not in this weird situation.
But I think even Sanj is coming out of a divorce as well. So
that's
जी.
what,
So yeah, that is the
that's
break,
like
and this is the make.
first, if you see in the first episode, one of my friends pointed out that you are starting from here. Like your first dialogue is from here when she starts speaking to her or she starts speaking to him. She starts from here because she has been living for a few months alone in this house, which she made with her husband, and she thought she's going to live the rest of her life in. And then suddenly, if you realize she's been in a lockdown in that house by herself for a while already. So she's already going through so much trauma in her head. And now you throw another actual lockdown on her and you put another person in the, in the equation. So that is why she's just now a person that, when he just sees her, he's like, Aap zarur Sanj hongi. Because my sister must have told him that she's this person that you don't want to be around. She's very negative. She talks about negative stuff. She's been in a negative space. So you be careful when you go
mood
to her house
खराब
because
कर
she
देगी.
might murder you in your sleep. Yeah, वो mood खराब कर देगी. She might murder you in your sleep. So yeah, just some people जो आजू बाजू रहते हैं ना, उनसे stress feel होता है. She's that person because she's carrying so much, with her constantly because she has been alone in that house for a while now. And the lockdown completely that for her. So yeah.
मुझे लगता है कि एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल चीज थी कि एक कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग चीज थी. सांज जो इतनी नेगेटिव है और इतनी डिप्रेस्ड है और उसकी जिंदगी में एक ऐसा बंदा आ जाता है अनिल चरणजीत जैसा जो सूरज बन के आते हैं और पूरा ही कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर है जिसके वजह से कहीं ना कहीं देखा जाए तो सांझ की जिंदगी बच जाती है या तो हो सकता था वो खुदकुशी कर ली. तो एक बहुत ही पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट है जो वहां से निकल के आता है व्हिच आई थिंक ऑडियंस ने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से लिया हो.
ऑलराइट. सो अनिल, आपकी एक्टिंग के बारे में एक जो पर्सनली जो मैंने बहुत पॉइंटेडली नोटिस किया है कि दैट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ फिजिकलिटी इन योर कॉमेडी. So whenever you appear on screen, the जो आपका पोस्टर होता है वो that in itself makes people laugh, या जिस तरीके से आपके facial expressions होते हैं that in itself makes people laugh. The dialogues comes after that. जैसे आपने शुरू में जिक्र किया कि आपको 2 या 3 सीन्स मिले हैं बड़ी बड़ी फिल्मों में, people have remembered that you have made a name for yourself. अब जैसे इस सीरीज में हम देख रहे हैं कि आपका जो एक मिमिक्री का एक टैलेंट आप लोगों के सामने रखते हैं, तो क्या ये भी एक एक्सरसाइज है आपकी इस सीरीज के जरिए जो प्रोस्पेक्टिव प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं, डायरेक्टर्स हैं, कि दैट दिस इज द सॉर्ट ऑफ रेंज दैट आई कैन पॉसिबली ब्रिंग टू द टेबल, कि दैट मैं थाली सजा सकता हूँ.
डेफिनेटली या मतलब जब मुझे देविन ने बताया कि ऐसा कैरेक्टर है और इतने इसके शेड्स हैं, तो हम लोग डे 1 से बिल्कुल सेम प्लेटफॉर्म पे थे. एंड ऑल्सो वी वर वेरी क्लियर दैट कि मिमिक्री आर्टिस्ट नहीं, ही इज अ फैन. अगर आप देखो अभी इतने सारे मिमिक्री आर्टिस्ट हैं जो कमाल का मिमिक करते हैं, मैंने वैसा कुछ भी नहीं किया है. सो वी वर श्योर कि ही इज अ फैन, ही इज अ बॉलीवुड बफ. वो कपड़े खरीद लेता है, वैसे उनकी तरह करने की कोशिश करता है, बट वैसा ये है नहीं. सो वी मेड श्योर कि जो कॉन्ट्रास्ट रहे जब वो किसी को मिमिक कर रहा है और जब वो नॉर्मल एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग है. सो देयर हैज टू बी डिफरेंस, अदरवाइज बहुत जारी हो जाता कैरेक्टर अगर थ्रू आउट वो नौटंकी कर रहा होता किसी ना किसी तरीके से, बहुत ज्यादा ओवर द टॉप हो जाता. सो मेक श्योर कि एक बैलेंस रहे. एंड साइकोलॉजी एंड फिजिकलिटी वही है कि आई थिंक जब आप कैरेक्टर की तरह सोचने लग जाते हैं, द वे कैरेक्टर थिंक्स, एंड इट रियली हेल्प्स एज एन एक्टर टू ब्रिंग द न्यूएंसेस, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी वॉइस, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज इस तरह से हो जाती है. सो आई ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि हम टॉकिंग टू डायरेक्टर अबाउट द कैरेक्टर, उसकी साइकोलॉजी क्या है, वेयर इज ही कमिंग फ्रॉम, वो क्या सोचता है, एंड उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है. So the objective was to make Sanj happy somewhere. Maybe शायद गरिमा ने इसको बोल दिया होगा कि she's going through a rough phase. So just make sure कि आप उसको खुश रखें. और वो एलिमेंट ऑलरेडी थे. और सूरज का जो कैरेक्टर है, उसका जो ये ट्रेट है लोगों को पॉजिटिव रखना, वो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे अंदर भी है. So even if there is something going on in my life, I will make sure that my friends and family and everyone is happy and they're charged about life, and whatever they want to do, they do it. तो वो कहीं ना कहीं है.
Right. और लाइक अगर अंजलि और गरिमा अगर ट्रैफिक में फंस जाएं तो आप उसके बारे में पहले से इन्फॉर्म कर दें. ऑलराइट. सो अंजलि, एक बहुत आई थिंक इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर है दैट lot of girls, a lot of women, they have these issues with the way they look, and there is this whole industry that is selling something or the other, happiness to people in just by telling them that how sad you are, and that you can be happy if you do this or do that. So when we see your character in the series, so एक बहुत आपके जो बाकी भी आपने जो किरदार निभाए हैं, उसमें एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये होती है कि that once a person starts watching your performance, you know, so वो जो आपका जो personality है वो अपने आप में endearing होती जाती है, rather than you know looking at the physical aspect, और जो एक sense of perfection जो हमें sell किया जाता है उसके beyond निकल के कितना जरूरी है यंग लड़कियों को या फिर औरतों को कि एक to have that level of self confidence in accepting themselves the way they are, and ultimately it is the personality that will endear them to other people or make them likable.
See, when I started working, I had coincidentally put on weight because of a few health problems, and before that, when I was thin, I didn't get a single job. When I put on weight, I got all my jobs, and I have been like this throughout my entire career for the last 5 or 6 years now. So when I started and I started talking about this, I felt that it was taken in a very positive way. And there were women messaging me and saying, okay, you know, you give me strength to wake up every day and face maybe people of my sasural or my parents or my friends who bully me and tell me I'm fat and I need to lose weight, or I look a certain way, or I'm a certain color, or however I look, I'm short, I'm tall, or whatever. And I stand out from a crowd. You know, I'm much bigger than the normal person. I know that, and I accept that. And I have never, the only thing that took me to where I am is that the different mindset that I have is that I don't think I'm not normal. I think I'm perfectly fine. I think I'm perfectly normal. I have never felt intimidated or insecure with a girl standing beside me with a perfect body, which the society thinks is. So I have always felt that mujhme koi, even in school, like I've never, people say na, oh, I was so bullied in school, because you let yourself be bullied. And I'm sorry that you were bullied, but get over it. School is done. What are you going to do with your life? And all of us have gone through a lot of trauma in childhood and things that we go through in our personal lives, but get over it and be so good. My thing is, you be so good at what you do that nobody will be able to say no to you. I know if my audition reaches somewhere, I know if it reaches to a place, I have never, you know, gone aage se, been like, you know, give me this work, give me that work. I know if someone sees my audition and asks for it, I know that I will not be rejected for the job. So that confidence.
Right. Garima,
Yeah.
would you like to add something to it? Because you know what is happening is that many a times this sense of perfection, the way it is hammered, especially on women, even on men, I think men tend to overdo it. We've seen examples where men have overdone in terms of exercising and then all those steroids and other things, which is not cool. But maybe it is slightly harsher on women, that you know that level of perfection jo hona chahiye, and it tends to have hazardous effects as well.
True.
Why is it important to just be normal and work hard on yourself, but don't overdo it?
I think that, well, firstly, I think this industry particularly has that a little bit more for years and years because it's a visual medium, of course. So whenever it's a visual medium, if it's acting and modeling and things like that, then of course there's more pressure. But I think with social media growing, what's happening is that like now we're all models of our own lives on, you know, social media because we're putting pictures of ourselves. So that similar pressure that's there for the arts, performing arts, is kind of now on everybody. So I think the point is to disconnect and not take that pressure to be perfect too seriously, because nobody looks like that. If you look at anybody that looks, you know, perfect and your idea of perfect, you see them on a down day. In fact, even the greatest actresses, you know, like my personal you know, heroes that I look up to, like Kate Winslet, for example, she's like, nobody looks like that. So you need to keep everything in perspective. Okay, if you chase perfection, there's no such thing as it. So as Anjali said, when you look at her, she's so brilliant and so good at what she's doing, and she's like, you know, you see her in the show, okay, she steals the show. She's so good, she's so endearing and lovable, that kind of that overrides everything else. So जो भी आपके talents है, जो भी आप में है अंदर, you know, where you can contribute to society, where you're talented at that, you have an inclination towards that, be it, you know, in the medical field or cooking or acting or whatever it is, I would say that if you focus on what you're doing and you do it well, and then you don't need to worry that much about what you're looking like. You just be happy with what you're looking like, because you're doing a good job and you're feeling worthy. Beyond looks, there's so much more. So I think for actors, I don't know if you guys agree, in that way theater helps, because you kind of get very grounded, and my grounding is in theater. I started with that, so wahan pe it helps, because nobody cares. You're, you know, you're thin, you're muscular, you're this, you're that. You can play a buddhi at age 8, you can play anything. So there they teach you to focus on the craft a lot. I mean, film of course as well, but film mein thoda zyada hota hai on looks, a little bit more. So
but I also
I
feel
think,
the
yeah.
more people talk about this, the more they are glorifying it. You need
Correct.
to just normalize it. I think right
Normalize
now
it,
there
yeah.
is so much talk about how you look. You know, there are so many, I don't want to say the word, but there's influencers and there's many people who are talking about it constantly. And that is, I think, leaving a mark on a normal human being who's following them, who's waking up every day and seeing a post about, okay, today I'm going to talk about my thighs. Today I'm going to talk about, there's nothing wrong to talk about it. But I think people who are being, you know, I think it's constantly just out there every day. Even I feel bad sometimes. I wake up and maybe I don't even feel like that about my thighs, but now this is making me think, you know,
But
just
how,
normalize it.
how amazing was Sonam Kapoor's I don't wake up like this post, you know, things like
Yeah.
that. It's great, because nobody wakes up like that.
I think ये
Yeah.
responsibility
And I think
social
सबको
media-
पता है nobody wakes up like that.
I think कहीं ना कहीं सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर्स जितने सेलेब्स हैं उनकी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि टू मेंटेन देयर सोशल मीडिया इन अ वेरी बैलेंस्ड वे, कि आप मेकअप के साथ पोस्ट करें तो बिना मेकअप के बाद भी, बिना मेकअप के भी पोस्ट करें, एंड नॉर्मल पिक्चर्स भी पोस्ट करो, सो दैट देयर शुड बी सम बैलेंस. अदरवाइज आप सब ग्लिट्स एंड ग्लोरी दिखाते हैं एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन एवरीथिंग कम्स डाउन. सो आई थिंक देयर हैज टू बी बैलेंस, एंड all the social media influencers and celebs should also be responsible for that.
But that is something we can't control, right? They're going to post whatever they're going to post. We can control what we consume.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Just follow
Right.
meme pages and laugh, guys.
Right, makeup and then touch-ups and filters. So
Yeah.
a lot of stuff. Okay, so Avinash, to end this, your favorite moment from the series?
The song. That's something. अब मतलब मैं वो देखना भी चाहता था जब वो शूट होने वाला था, बट मैं कहीं और बिजी था. मैंने देव को बोला था कि मुझे प्लीज देखना है जब ये गाना शूट करोगे, क्योंकि वो गाना कमाल है और इनकी जो है वो कमाल निकल के आएगी. और स्पेशली वो जो किचन के सेकंड मेरा बेस्ट मोमेंट, जब वो किचन के डोर पे ऐसे करके खड़ा होता है ना, दैट पोज जस्ट मेड मी लाफ फॉर लाइक गुड हाफ अ मिनट.
No, that's what I mentioned. I think his physicality is something that brings the laughter, which is amazing. Anil, your favorite moment?
The entire series, I would say, entire series. But yeah, बाबू राव वाला सीन था, because मेरी मॉम भी आई हुई थी, एंड बाबू राव का जब हेरा फेरी रिलीज हुई थी तो हम लोग बहुत बैक टू बैक पूरी फैमिली के साथ देखते थे ना. आई यूज्ड टू मिमिक बाबू राव के सीन. तो जब मम्मी आई तो मम्मी को मैंने बोला कि हम लोग आज शूट कर रहे हैं, बोलती मैं भी चल रही हूँ, अदरवाइज शी डजंट कम, वो कभी आती नहीं साथ में. तो मॉम आके इनफैक्ट वो कैमरे के सामने खड़ी हुई कि मुझे देखना है, मतलब मम्मी आप पीछे जाओ, मैं आपको मॉनिटर पे बाद में दिखाता हूँ. सो दैट वाज द मोमेंट एंड बेस्ट मोमेंट.
Anjali, what was yours?
I think the last scene. It was so much fun to shoot because Baki, all of the scenes in this series are very small and, you know, small moments. That's one big moment, and the whole thing from when I burned his photo, Vivek's photo, and then I ran out, and it was just chaotic. And I think when we shot it, it was completely different from what was written, and we all just went with it, and we just like thought कि कुछ करके देखते हैं. And I love that kind of atmosphere on a set. So हमने पता नहीं क्या किया और वो अच्छा लग गया, और yeah, it was just one whole big shot once. You know, it was just like a one take whole thing, and it was amazing.
Yeah, I will add this scene too, because ऐसा सीन मैंने कभी किसी फिल्म में नहीं किया. You know, proper वो बॉलीवुड वाला रोमांटिक सीन आखिरी में, लव ट्रायंगल. तो this was something absolutely new for me, और मजा आया था ये सीन शूट करने में.
Garima, what about you?
I've been still, so while everyone's talking, I'm trying to think of something different. So, one scene, though I won't say because I think the song, ek to,
Garima, it has to be this.
this I can't say that. But yeah, that was fun. और एक और चीज, एक moment है, DDLJ moment. That's not
Oh, yeah.
exactly like that montage. I love it because I
Oh.
love DDLJ. You know what I'm talking about. So
Yeah.
that's something that I have done in my bedroom also. That that montage probably by myself. So when I saw it, I just loved it, and you guys have killed it. So it's too much fun.
All right. So Anil, Anjali, Garima, and Avinash, thank you very much. Lovely talking to you guys. Congratulations for the great response so
Thank
far.
you
and
so much.
looking
Thank
forward
you,
to seeing you.
Faridun.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Have a nice
Hope
day.
you all like it.
Thank you.
Faridun,
Bye,
how was
guys.
your deep sea diving?
Oh, you saw that? That was amazing. It was amazing. It was amazing. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Maldives.
No, it was Hurghada.
Oh, very good.
It's Egypt, yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye,
Bye, Anil,
guys.
Garima, Anjali. Bye. Bye, Faridun.